if you right click here, you also have transposition. So the transposition is interesting because you can transpose without changing anything here. So transposing is basically going to another key. Instead of having that in C, you transpose that to another key. And that's going to affect everything below. So for example, I have here 0. If I go, I'm using my pencil tool. I go +1, that means I have one semitone, 1/2 step above. That was like that before. So with MIDI, I'm transposing MIDI to a different key. If I go to 2/2 step below, I have 1 step. So that's a kind of like useful, interesting way to create variation, because for example, I can have this first part here in C major. I'm gonna hold Option and copy everything here to the right, and that second part here, I'm gonna have that a key up. So So that's kind of like create some variation, brings the music to a different level.